Hi everyone, welcome back. So in my previous Sunday video I decided to do a sit and talk. So I will be continuing this sit and talk videos for a while now. So in this video I will be talking about all my favorites that I have enjoyed thoroughly during this lockdown and I have used it religiously. So the first category is gadgets. Well, this is an AirPod and this was gifted to me by a friend. So this, when it came into my life, you people, my life changed. It has no wires, so if you're getting a phone call, you do not have to keep your phone always with you. And you, even if you are doing a head if even if you're wearing a headphone, like your headphones contain wire, you cannot do all the works, right? It contains no wire, and during this lockdown, your personal and professional life both are mixed. So you get calls all the time, and when you get calls, you need to answer those calls. So buy this AirPod. My life has changed, you guys. If you can get this, this is by Realme, and it is really good. The second category of my favorite is movie series. I have been binge watching a lot of online content lately during this lockdown. So I have watched a lot from Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Woot, Netflix. But the favorite TV series that I have been religiously watching is Suits. Oh my god. Like, it's about a law firm in New York, and the menu guys are so freaking handsome. It's basically a law firm which deals with lawsuits, and it recruits from Harvard Law School. And there is Mike Ross, who has not gone to a law school but is equally talented to those who are from Harvard University. So it consists of drama, it consists of kick ass law lawsuits, it consists of so much, and you should binge watch it. You will be falling in love by just watching the series. I want to be a lawyer, like, come on. Just kidding, you guys. So this was my favorite TV series that I have thoroughly enjoyed. Let's talk about the favorite book that I have enjoyed this month. So my favorite book has to be Sudha Murthy's Wise and Otherwise. So this book is for those who do not like to read a full length book and get generally bored of things. So you can definitely give this a try, because this consists of short stories about life and about human nature. So this consists of 5 to 6 pages, and you can just complete those in 10 to 15 minutes each story, and this is like such a good things. So my first thing is this sipper. This is my bay. Like, I did not drink water before this came into my life, and this has changed the whole game. Like, whenever I see this, I feel like drinking water. Even now I feel like drinking water. So if you are someone like me who doesn't like to drink water, get yourself a sipper. Trust me, you won't regret it, and thank me later. The second favorite thing that I have enjoyed during this lockdown is this candle by Miniso. Yeah. So this candle is of flavor elegant roses, and I am not kidding you guys. Like, if you light this candle for 10 minutes in your room will smell like roses. Like, yes, is that even possible? Yeah, it is possible. And I am not exaggerating things, and I'm not making up things. You can try it out. This retails for 180 rupees. You can get this on Flipkart or Amazon both. This is too good. Next up, my favorite beauty products that I have been religiously using during this lockdown. So first is moisturizer. I hope you can see. So this is the Pond's lightweight moisturizer. It is so lightweight and it is so good in the skin. It absorbs. It doesn't feel oily. Like, I my skin is oily. Okay, so if I put something heavy, I will not react well. But this, you guys, this is so good, and this retails for only 35 rupees. You can give this a try if you haven't already. Next is this essential oils by the Beauty Co. Yeah, so this is an essential oil. So essential oils are generally used like if you are using any hair spa, mask or a face mask, you can give 2-3 drops of this and it will work well. But it has a very strong fragrance and I am allergic to fragrance, and if I put into my face, like, it will burn. So how do I use it is I give 2-3 drops of this into my pillow, and it helps me reducing like my stress and calming me down, and doing my improving my sleeping cycle. Like, really, it does improve my sleeping cycle. I researched it online. If you cannot use your essential oils with your face mask or hair mask, how to use it, I found this, and this is magic. Okay, favorite snack. I do not snack. Like, I do not snack. So lately I have got into a habit of eating chewing gums. So this is not a chewing gum, this is a mint. So this is a center fruit mint, center fresh mint in the flavor fruity mint flavor, and this is sugar free as I don't intake sugar, like, so this is a good deal for me. It is so good. Whenever I feel, I'll eat one and it will like give me a minty sort of feeling. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and this was my lockdown series of what are the things that I have been currently enjoying myself thoroughly. And watch my previous video if you haven't already. I will link everything in the description box below. Hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you are new here. See you soon.